there?
Yeah.
What's over there?
I said, you ain't going over there today?
No.
I said, you want to work?
I've seen you here before. I don't have any change on me, I'm sorry.
All right. Well, if you go by one of the first bring one of the small work.
What is it?
A small hamburger, anything.
Oh, you're hungry?
Yeah.
What you want?
Just give me a cheeseburger and a chocolate shake.
Cheeseburger and a chocolate shake?
Yeah. Okay.
I'm not going to get from McDonald's because they support genocide. I'll get from somewhere else.
All right.
Cool?
I'll be
back.
back.